Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in engineering, BS Physics, BS Maths, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. Please join with me to study this topic in integral calculus. This is trigonometric function by integration. So I have here integral of tangent squared theta times secant to the fourth theta d theta. So I will simplify this one. So this will be tangent squared theta. Then I will split secant to the fourth theta. So I can do this one as secant squared theta. And then this will be secant squared theta d theta. Okay? So this will be integral of tangent squared theta. Then this will be secant squared theta. Then I will plug in the value of secant squared theta. Based on our trigonometry, we have 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. This is from Pythagorean identity. Okay, identity. So this is Pythagorean identity. So solving for also the value of secant squared theta is 1 plus tangent. So this will be circle brackets 1 plus tangent squared theta. Then this will be the theta. Okay? So combine this one and then multiply inside the circle bracket. So this will be integral of tangent squared theta, then secant squared theta d theta. Okay, then this will be plus. So this will be tangent. So I will erase first so that it will be explained properly. Okay, so I'm done with 1. Then this one multiply by tangent squared theta. So that will be tangent to the fourth theta. Then this will be secant squared theta d theta. So this will be integral plus integral. So in here I will let u will be tangent theta. Differentiating both sides, this will be secant theta squared theta d theta. Then this one also, u will be tangent theta. Differentiating both sides, that will be secant squared theta d theta. Okay? So this will be integral of tangent theta, that will be u squared. Then how about secant squared theta d theta? That will be equivalent to du. So this will be u squared du. Then this will be plus tangent to the fourth theta, that will be u to the fourth. Then secant squared d theta is equal to du. Okay, so integrating u squared, that will be u to the third power over 3. Then this will be plus u to the fourth, that will be u to the fifth, because integration is n plus 1. So if you have 4, then this will be plus 1. So I have 5, and then whatever our exponent will be our denominator. And then this will be plus c, because this is indefinite integral. So I can do this one as LCD is 1 over 15. Then circle brackets. So this will be 5u cubed. Then this will be plus, since this is 15, so this will be 3u to the fifth. Then this will be plus c. Let us check first. So 1 over 15 times 5. 1 over 15 times 5. So this will be 5 over 15. So reduce to lowest term, divide by 5, this will be 1. Divide by 5, that is 1/3. So correct. The next is this one. 115 times 3. So 1 times 3, that will be 3 over 15. Reduce to lowest term, divide by 3, that is 1. Divide by 3, that is 5. Okay, correct. That is 1 over 5. Okay, to have my final answer, this will be equal to 1 over 15. Then 5, circle brackets, 5 u to the cube, u to the third power, so this will be tangent. I will use square brackets first. Then this will be 5, circle brackets, u cube, so meaning tangent theta. This will to the third power. Then this will be plus 3, circle brackets, tangent theta to the fifth power. Then this will be plus c. Okay, my final answer will be 1 over 15. I will use circle brackets now. So this will be circle brackets, 5 tangent cube theta. Then this will be plus 3 tangent to the fifth theta. Then this will be plus c. So this is now my final answer. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion about trigonometric function, you may leave your comments in the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.